45 years ago, a dream was born, a vision that would redefine excellence and set a standard for generations to come. From our humble beginnings, we've been committed to delivering the hair replacement industry's highest quality and the unwavering support of our incredible community. But this isn't just a celebration of the past. It's a testament to our commitment to the future. Together, we embark on the next phase of our journey, fueled by innovation and a promise to continue to support you with unparalleled education and superior customer service. Our 45th anniversary isn't just a milestone, it's a launchpad for what's yet to come. American Hairlines. No boundaries.